And then is there other ways to repair if you've trolled somebody and it's gone wrong?
You just talk to them like they're human. You treat them with basic respect and dignity. You try not to run away from them because, in VR chat, you awkwardly stare at the corner at the person that you don't talk to anymore. But the thing is, we all have mutual friends here. So just talk to them like normal, like they never unfriended you if you see them.
My opinion is very different because I have a lot of general ability to forgive people. But when someone like gets close to you and specifically betrays you, then once in a while, like you don't really know because if they're planning on doing that in the first place, you'll probably know. But if they're not, and they just
People
decide
keep
to
toxic
dislike you
relationships
after,
going forever.
yeah,
Gotcha.
they don't go forever. Stuff dies at some point.
So there's a
That's what
cycle
makes
of
it meaningful.
sorts. Yeah, yeah. And you realize like this wasn't going to grow ever because they're kind of in a cycle and you got sucked into it, kind of thing.
Yeah, because people repeat their patterns.
Got it.
Because you don't. Okay, so sometimes you don't have to let people know because the patterns will keep happening.
Yeah.
But because they will fuck themselves over.
Yeah.
That's what their karma is. They can't
Yeah.
stop being themselves, and so. If you're so used to being a terrible person and you don't do any efforts to become better, like actual real efforts, then you're just going to go back to that pattern. It's hard to break that cycle. We're all on our own cycles. We are used to feeling miserable, happy, full of love, or just like desperate to keep people's attention because you just want that love. Everybody here is here on VR chat. They're searching for that love and that affection that people really hear you, for once in your life. But this goes back to people being trolls. They're yelling, they're screaming at the door. They make themselves into jokes because that's the only way for a short time they can be a star. Just a stupid meme that they can be a star. Like in real life, they're probably just to get some people laughing and have some fun.
It sounds like you're really aware that trolling is about connection. Even if it's not connecting with the people you're trolling, it's connecting with people you anticipate enjoying the joke or, are watching you or whatever else. And so the way to interrupt that for you is just to actually lean into it and like engage with them super directly. You said that for racism...
Other times I can't put energy into it.
Yeah.
For racism, I just drop them.
Yeah. And so how do we...
Down the street with your red lips and funky